back side. Back side touch. Close your legs. Little bit close your legs. Yes. Little bit close your legs. Come on, control the weight. Control the weight. Yes. Control the weight. Yes, brother. Super. Maximum. Come on, very good. 10 seconds. 9. Yes. 8, 7, 6. Look straight. Look straight. Focus. Focus. Karo. 3, 2. Only one more. Very good. Catch it. Yes. Look straight. Chest के touch करो. हाँ. Just slowly. इतना height मत करो. Off. बस. अरे इतना height पाइक रहा होता. Just close. Just leave it up. That's good. Very good. Strain. Muscle में squeeze running. Squeeze and up. Little bit up. Squeeze and little bit up. That's good. Super. That's good. More effective. Come on, ready. Good. Come on, ready. Just look straight to. Look straight to. Yes. Look straight to. Deadlift. Look straight and a pike lip. Yes. Hold it. Few seconds. Yes. Few seconds. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 seconds. Hold it. Squeeze and slowly down. 4 seconds only. Come on, ready. Good. Up. Yes. Up and compromise. What are the? Yes. Yes. 12 repetitions. Very good. Yes. Look straight. హ్యాపీ ఫీల్ ఉండాలి, హ్యాపీగా ఉండాలి. అంతేగాని కష్టంగా చేయకూడదు. ఎప్పుడు ఏ ఎక్సర్సైజ్ చేసినా సరే. ఎస్. డోంట్ bend your knees. Slowly up and down. Yes. Or down. Yes. Slowly squeeze your abdomen. Yes. Bus. Yes. Slowly. Yes. Body is right. Squeeze your. Keep stretch your back. Slowly. Keep stretch your back. Yes. Stretch your back. Bus. Back pain వస్తుంది. Turn your foot and slowly down. Stretch your foot inside. Yes. Down foot stretch inside. Yes. Up. Front. Yes. Hey, foot stretch. పైకి లేవు, ఫుట్ తిరగాల.